Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop the auto reopening of programs after your computer has restarted. So programs do not close successfully and you restart your computer. If you have this enabled, what it will do is the Windows will automatically attempt to relaunch those applications. So if you don't want it to do that, or perhaps you do want it to relaunch these applications or attempt to, in today's tutorial I will show you how to do it. And we're going to start off by right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. You want to select the Accounts tile on the left side, and then on the right side you want to select Sign In Options. So go ahead and left-click on that. Scroll down, and then underneath Additional Settings, where it says Automatically Save My Restartable Apps and restart them when I sign back in. If you want to enable that, turn it on. Otherwise, toggle it to the off position. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.